So today I'm going to show you a handy trick on Windows for how to convert different number systems like hexadecimal to decimal to binary, even to octal, right in Windows. So it's a super handy tool that just not a lot of people know about. So it's actually right in the Windows calculator. So if you just go to your Start menu and then type in calc and then hit enter, when the calculator pops up in the top left, you can click on this drop down menu and then there's a programmer option. So when you select that, now you'll see on the left all those different options I just described, like hexadecimal, decimal, octal, and binary. So then if you want to actually, if you say have a number in binary that you want to convert to decimal, then you would just click on binary and then type in the number. So you see it grays out everything except 1 and 0 because it's binary. So if we were just type in a binary representation here of some number, then you'll see up at the top it gives you the different values of that in the other number system. So 1010001 is equivalent to octal 121, decimal 81, or hexadecimal 51. Alternatively, if you have a hexadecimal number like FC, then you would know that that's 252 in decimal, 374 in octal. It can even do math equations, so you can actually double check that your math is correct. So if you were like multiplying binary numbers, or let's say we were multiplying a hex number, so if we were saying FC, which is 252 times 5, it's 4EC, and so you can double check that with the decimal value that that number times 5 was 1260. So there's a lot of helpful functions there that I've found that it's generally the best way to convert between the number systems. So this is just a very handy way to double check your math and quickly convert between different number systems.